Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add more contacts into your Pipedrive account. So first things first, it's 2022, so a lot of things have changed at Pipedrive, but this will probably stay as it was. So let's go to the left sidebar, and as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth option from the top is called contacts. Weirdly enough, is fifth from the bottom as well, so you really can't go wrong. We click on contact. At the moment, we have no person, no people added yet, also no organizations, and no contact timeline. This stuff is really nice, and we'll show that to you later. Let's go to people. What we have to do is click on plus person or create new person, but let's go on plus. Let's go with the name. Let's go with Marcus. Let's go with Marcus Blue. Organization. If we fill in the organization, it will also create a new organization in the organizations window. But let's go with Rocket Company. As you can see, we have this option of add a Rocket Company as a new organization. It's new and we will find it here. Label, let's go with hot lead. We can add a phone for work, home, mobile or other. Let's go with mobile, but we won't provide any. We can add email, work email. Owner means who basically recruited or found this lead. And we can also find, if only owner can see it, owner's visibility group that you can set later with your employees, owner's group or entire company. Let's go with the entire company and save. As you can see, right now we added a new contact called Marcus Blue and also a new organization called Rocket Company. Right now we have to also work on the Rocket Company because we only added it through the people, but I'll show you that in another video, so let's not make this long because it was all about creating new identities and new people into your Pipedrive account. And that's about it, guys. It's very easy. Thanks for watching and take care out there. See you soon.